Welcome to this week's spelling. Hopefully you are ready with your glue stick, a zip top bag to put all your words in, a pair of scissors, nice scissors, your spelling book, and of course, a beautiful pencil. Don't forget the pencil. And then your spelling words. All right, so let's get started. First thing you need to do is make sure that your words are cut out. So make sure you got the right set of words. Now, you'll notice that some of you have different sets of words. It just depends on what we're doing, but basically, all of our words are going to be long vowels. You'll just have long vowels. They'll just be different words. We just have you going in different groups, and so no need to worry about that. All you need to worry about is making sure that the words that you have are the words that you need. All right, so what I like to do is I like to cut it straight up here. Make sure that you have your words cut out. And we'll just cut these chips out. Make sure that they're cut out before, or you can cut them out during our lesson here. All right? Let's please make sure that is done. That way we don't have to worry about you doing whatever. All right? That when we get to going, that you're already going. All right, so cut out your word chips. And once we get these cut out, I want you to spread them out a little bit. Okay? Oops. And, all right, I'm almost done here. Got it. All right, so put your scissors off to the side. Make sure you got everything ready, and let's start spreading these babies out. I like to spread them out around the side, not on the page I'm actually going to be writing on. All right, that way, when I say a word, me, then you'll be able to find the word that we're looking for. All right, so I'll just spread these out a little bit here and there. Now, when I do these words, I want you to know, I want you to write the words out on your paper as I do it. And remember, the reason we are doing these sorts is so that you will become a better reader and a better writer. That's what spelling helps you do. The great thing about reading or the spelling is that as soon as you learn the patterns and you hear the patterns, then you will be able to recognize kind of what they are and where they go and all that kind of stuff. So we've got long vowels and we've got oddballs here. But what I want you to do is as I read them aloud, I want you to say them and I want you to write it also. What I will do here is I'm not going to write all of them down. I'm only going to write a few out. But there's a few things that I want you to recognize as we go through here. We're actually going to write down here, we're going to do Unit 1, Week 2. And I want you to start on a new page, and I want you to write that. Okay? And then down below, go down 2 lines, and we're going to do long vowels. Make sure that you write this just like I have it written in my book. You'll notice there's the red line there, there's the red line there. Make sure that you've got all of that. Now we have an oddball here, and I'm going to stick it out to the side between the red line and there. I'm going to go odd ball. And I'm going to do that out there because I want to use this whole space out here to do some vowels and vowel sounds. Now, last week we did short vowels. This week we're going to do long vowels. So long vowels draw that vowel sound and has that actual letter sound. So when we look at words like paste. So let me find paste. Where's my paste? Anybody got paste? Oh, there it is. Paste. That's got an A sound in it. A. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do an A right here and underline it. And then I'm going to write paste. P-A-S-T-E. Say it. Paste. A. It's got an A sound. All right. And then I'm actually going to pull out another word here that may not be in your set of words, but I want you to write it down anyway. It is heap. E-A. And this is a tricky one because the E and the A actually draws out the E. So we don't hear the A. Heap. So we're going to do the E sound here, and we're going to go heap. Got it? So write that down. Even if you don't have this set of words, I want you to learn that, H-E-A-P, that the E-A draws out that word, or makes that long vowel sound of the E. Not all E words have the E-A, but some of them do. There are other words that you have in here that have that E-A sound, and that are an actual E, okay? A-E-I. Do we have any I's in here? Oh, we do. So we're going to do an I and put that right there, and make sure that you leave enough room so that we can do this, all right? And we're going to write out spice. Spice. You're going to write this one out. Spice. S-P-I. Long I. So it sounds just like the I. Spice. Write it. Say it. A-E-I-O. Oh, I see. Oh. So I'm going to look for a word in here that I have. Ooh. Let's do, where is it? There it goes. Oak. Oak. O-A-K. That one's kind of a tricky one also. Be careful of that one. That one's got an O sound also, but it's got an A. When you've got two vowel sounds together, that first one is usually the one that will be the sound. So oak, it's not o-uck, it's oak. Even though there's two letters there. So when you hear an oak tree, O, then that A is just kind of there. We have an interesting language, this English that we speak. We kind of do our own things, don't we? So there's O, okay? Now let's go O-U, and we're going to write U on here. So some of you that write big, you're going to have to start writing small. Do we have any U sounds? I don't think we do. I don't think we do. So we've got A, paste, E, heap, I, spice, O, oak, and then we've got this oddball here. What would that oddball be? Because that one's a tricky one. What do you think? Any ideas? You write those in tonight and we'll see what you get. So what I want you to do is write out a couple of these. Now you might run into some that have like two sounds in it. Like the word D-K-A-Y, two vowels. E, so we'll put D-K right there. But we can also put the A-Y, so let's write it under here also. D-K. Okay, we got the A sound, we got the A sound, the E sound with the E sound, the I, and the O. Make sure you underline each one of those vowel sounds to show that it's a long vowel. All right. Any questions? Well, I guess you can't ask them here. But if you have questions, write them down here. Make sure you lay and say the words. Write them down here. And bring your questions to school, and we will talk about them. And remember, We're doing this so that you can be better readers and writers. You guys are wonderful. Finish all the rest of these words. Write them on here where they go. And we will see you tomorrow. Got it? Any questions? I asked you that already. All right. Write them out. Okay. See ya.